friends all. Today we are going to discuss some very important concepts called the break and continue that happens generally in the loops. In the previous video we have discussed about the decision making statements and the loops. Now here I am just going to start a new idea and it's called the how long you want, because sometimes when we put the statements to be executed under the loop, then we do not want it to continue infinitely long period of time. It just you have to break sometimes depending on certain condition. So that's why we need to make certain precautions for that. So the Java has provided us two important terms called the break and continue. So now here I'm just demonstrating one. Just see, watch for yourself. It will be just self-explanatory and it will clear all your doubts. So I have a private integer x. I would like to go for a static function just like the previous case. So here it goes: public static void main string args. Okay, this is not a keyword, so even if it is arghs, it doesn't make any sense, and it's just user defined identifier, so it will work properly. Now here I run my loop. Int I, this is my loop variable. Then I write int counter, this is my condition, counter equal to 100, and then I run my loop for int I equal to 1. I don't need to write int because I have already declared. So for I equals 1, I less than counter, and I plus plus. Now here I write if I modular, or if I equal to 45, then break. Means when if I becomes equal to 45, then the loop should break. Then here I'll write break, else it should keep on printing the I. So system dot out dot print ln, and then I'll just print I. So when I is 1, it will be printed. When I'll 5, now see how long this code runs. So it's fine, it is compiled, and here I go for main function, I run it. Then you see code continue till 45. We ask the code to continue running till I is less than. So this loop is actually running. Like suppose if I do not put this condition, I make it a statement, there is no such restriction. Even if it I is 45, let it happen whatever is happening. So you see what happens. The loop will run 100 times till 99. If I make it, if you want to make it run till 100, then here you have to provide I less than or equal to 100. Now compile again and now see. So if you run the loop will continuously work till 100. Now I want to break, means when I becomes 45, then the loop should break, means it should not start doing whatever it was doing. It should just break and come out of this loop and print this one: system dot out dot print ln I am out of for loop. So this is how it works. Whenever you want your loop to stop execution depending on the outcome of certain condition, then you better provide it with a break statement. So compile again. Now here I run, and here it goes till 45. Where is the output window? This is the output window, and I'm out of the loop. Now similarly, what is continue? If I say, now see, if I say that if I is equal to 10 and then I say continue, then let's see what happens. Continue. It is just, you can see, everyone can see what is happening. Now code is changed, compile. Before running, I want to clear this output window, so this is clear. Now again I go and run the main loop. Now see the outcome, what you are seeing. So it started, it just happened continuously when I was 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 15, as if nothing happened, as if even if this continue loop was not there, then also it just kept on happening. So what does it do? It just tells, like, it is just like, suppose someone, when you are in a race, when you are sprinting, and then you started with, and sometimes just little minor mistake have happened, then also you're asking continue, don't worry about that, just continue. So this is what is happening here in this case. So I say, now here I just write one more statement to check what is happening after continue statement. So this one, and this is I'm continuing. I'm continuing after the hiccup. So here I make it I modular 7 equal to 0, means whenever I is multiple of 7, like 7, 14, 21, like that, and this will keep on happening. Now compile. What happened? Any error there? Yes, there is some error. System.out.println unreachable, because after this it goes to the beginning. That's why this is not getting executed, so I should put it just before that. Now see, compile. So it is working. So this is throwing the control back to the beginning. So this also you can take, the continue is throwing the execution line back to the beginning of the condition. Now see how the results are coming. So it just like this, at 7 it threw at the beginning, and then at 14 it threw at the beginning. So it is throwing from here, the control goes back to the beginning. So this is all about the break and the continue statement, guys. Subscribe to our channel, and just in the next video I will give you, or I'll write 10-15 different kind of programs where you'll master the idea of loops, and then we'll go back to the core of object oriented programming. Thank you very much. Just subscribe and have very nice time.